So hello guys, welcome to my channel called Fairy Tales, and today I'm going to be showing you some Valentine's Day gift ideas. I have taken a piece of cardboard and cut it into a heart. Now I stick some ribbon around it and then colored it like with acrylic red. Now I'll start to arrange my chocolates. So now I cut it out a cardboard frame and covered it with chart paper. Then I took some stick from my garden below, colored it black and put these thermocol balls. I took some random plastic transparent covers from my home. I made these small pouches and filled it with gems. Take this red paper and cut out the heart. So basically I cut it 3 hearts from the stencil. I made a stencil and then cut it out 3 hearts. Then I stick them together with some strong glue and then I just put this thread. Now I'm gonna take one page, hold this aside, take this and I'm gonna cut them out. Hey guys, and now I am going to I already stick this white paper on and then I'll just paint on this and then we'll do for this borders later. I know it doesn't look that good, so let's get started with our painting. Guys, now I have cutted this A out of some thick card. It's very thick. And now I'm gonna paint this with gold. So guys, now I have just colored it and I have decorated it with this beautiful colorful tape. I have written messages like don't forget, just you and me, and this one has love, and these cute bows and these hearts. So I buy these labels from the market, and then I have this A. So I made this for myself. So my name is Anvi, So I'm just gonna place it now and show you the arrangement. This is our arrangement. Now let's start sticking. So I'm going to take out the backing of the heart And for this A, I have done about 2 to 3 coats, so that depends on your color. I have made this diary out of a marriage card. This is a marriage card which I made into a diary. Then I took a artificial feather and took a small refill and stick it with tape with the feather so that this turns into a feather pen. Then I just use some pages from my old notebooks, cut them out, staple them together, stick them in glue, and just tape for support. And you even have this bookmark. So like suppose if I was writing in this page, I'll just bookmark this page with the help of the ribbon. So it's a good book. So I'll leave this to my mom. So they come together. Actually, I didn't have a matching colored feather. That's why I used blue. You can use a matching feather. So please like, subscribe and share if you like my ideas. And please comment down below which idea do you like the most. Do you like this one, or this one? So bye guys.